Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video, as you've seen in our title, on today we will be unboxing our October BOXYCHARM by IPSY, okay? And this is what the outer packaging looks like. And for those of you who are not familiar with this, I will leave all the information down below in the description box, okay? Make sure you check it out. And before we jump into this, I want to remind you, make sure that you enter the giveaway, okay? That's all I can say. Make sure you enter. It's going to close on the end of this month, okay? So, nonetheless, so our box, when we open it up, oh, okay. Alrighty. Inside, the first thing we pull out, even though it was actually this, I don't know what it was for. Did it keep anything in place? Not really. But when we open up the box, the first thing we actually see is the Glam Bag shopping invite, okay? And it says, let the holiday gifting begin. The glamorous show on earth is coming in the form of a one-stop holiday gift shop with thrilling deals on gifts galore. Curated just for you, starting on October the 30th and continuing through the holidays. We've got your entire shopping list covered, no matter your budget. What do you think of that? Okay, so, and when we open it up, oh yeah, it's got some nice items on the inside. And this is what that part looks like. This page here, and then this one, okay? So just be on the lookout for it, or just check out IPSY.com, okay? So, don't forget also that November is the next icon box with a beauty boost item. And it says, get a splurge-worthy bonus full-size product for only $15, a guaranteed savings of 60% or more, okay? How about that? So let's just jump into this month, all right? So the very first item, oh my gosh, why are there two of these in here? Why do I have two? All right, let's see what's going on. This says the item that we have is by Byron. Let me tell you something. I'm having a flashback with this. Oh my goodness. I will definitely tell you, I remember boxes back before they even switched over to the BOXYCHARM by IPSY. And the one Byron item that I got, oh my God, the smell just sent me over the edge. But nonetheless, let's just think on wonderfully glamorous things, okay? So it says what we have is the celery AHA+LHA resurfacing serum, okay? And it says, introducing your new skin clearing hero, this powerful serum crafted to help tackle your troubled complexion with the detoxifying prowess of celery juice. Gentle yet effective. This formula harnesses the clarifying properties of alpha hydroxy and beta lipohydroxy acid to help halt blemishes in their tracks and boost cell turnover, okay? Now, this one is a 30 milliliter size. The manufacturer suggested retail price is $86, okay? And let's see what the inside packaging looks like. Oh, it kind of looks a little milky, but nonetheless, here we go. This is the celery juice right here. And it says this one is a PETA approved product. It is vegan. And let's see what kind of shelf life. It has a 12-month shelf life. Okay. Now, I really do want to open it, but I'm currently using a new skincare system, okay, which we'll talk about real soon. But nonetheless, this is the first item in our box. All right. And then the next item that I have, this is kind of throwing me for a loop because it's actually 2 of them in here. Don't know why, but depending on what I hear, one of them may end up being in a giveaway. So the next item that I have is by Ole Hendrickson. Okay, and it's a large one, okay? This one right here, and this is the Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. All right, and it says, this refreshing gel cleanser does it all. It deeply cleanses your face without stripping away your skin's natural goodness, so you can say goodbye to dirt, oil, even that fierce long wear eye makeup. Yup, that stubborn mascara doesn't stand a chance. Okay, and this one is a 5-ounce size, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $33. Now, of course, that was the outside packaging, and the inside packaging looks exactly like the outside packaging. This one says it has a 12-month shelf life. Oh, and it's a citrus product. All right, I'm here for it. And you know, since it does have a 12-month shelf, well, can't really open that one yet either. Oh, but you can smell the citrus through the top. My challenge with this is, well, I'm already using a cleansing system right now for my skincare. All right, so this one is item number 2. So the next item that we have is by TYS Beauty, and this is the Cheek Treat Liquid Blush, okay? And it says, your cheeks deserve a juicy treat. This weightless and long-lasting blush will give you that soft flush of true mauve color with a dewy finish that lasts all day. All right. The liquid formula is super buildable and can be easily blended and built up to your desired intensity. This is a 4 milliliter size, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $22. Okay, and let's see what else this has to say. It is a vegan product. It is paraben and sulfate free, cruelty free, and it is a clean item. Okay, and this is what, oh, this is cute. This is what the inside packaging looks like. Okay, let's see what kind of shelf life this one offers. Well, believe it or not, there is actually no shelf life information on here. It just says that it is a TYS Beauty product, and that product is a liquid blush. Now, I do want to mention to you that, all right, now let me just say, this is a great time of year to start using products that are creams or liquids, because it's kind of cold out, and the cold kind of saps the moisture out of our skin. So kind of drifting away from so much powder products could be very helpful, okay? So just so that you know, I do want to go ahead and check this. Oh, the color is quite beautiful. This is what the applicator looks like. Can you see that? All right, and we're gonna go ahead and that's pretty. So we'll swatch it, let it dry down a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and blend it out. All right, so that one is the third product that we have, okay? And this is what the shade actually looks like. So yeah, we'd be able to blend that out pretty nicely. Give us a nice flush of color on our cheeks. Yeah, you'll have to do this with a light hand. A little bit will go a very long way. Okay, unless you're one of those kind of people that love an overdose of pigment on your skin, that's a little much. Okay, so let's keep going. The next item that we have is by Tease Cosmetics, and it's this one right here, and this is the Battle Prep Smoothing Face Primer Hydra Shield. Okay, that's a lot, but okay. Now, the box actually says Battle Prep. Yes, it does. Okay. So let's just see what this one has to say. It says, this hydrating primer is the ultimate pre-makeup secret weapon. The clean and vegan formula is designed to give your skin double the hydration, leaving it nourished and radiant with powerful ingredients like passion flower, glycerin, shea butter, and vitamin E. It not only prepares and helps protect your skin, but also extends the longevity of your makeup. Okay, that's something we definitely want. Now, this is a 1.1 a fluid ounce size, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $40. Now let's open it up and see what it looks like. Oh, all right. So here it is here. This is quite nice. And on the top it says Tease Suit of Armor. Okay. And let's see what kind of shelf life this one offers. All right, this one also has a 12-month shelf life. And it says, this is quite a shade on here, but it just says Hydra Shield. I was trying to see if it gave us an actual color. It says it's a subtle light coral shade for normal to dry skin. Okay. All right. I'm looking forward to trying this. I really am. Okay, nice. And that is item number 4. The last item that we have is by Ace Beauty. And it's this item right here. And this is a 4-piece eye brush set. And it says, trying to achieve a pro-level eye look, you need these carefully curated collection of 4 sleek and essential brushes. Their cruelty-free synthetic bristles are not only gentle on the skin, but also versatile enough to handle powders, creams, and liquid formulas with ease. And as I stated, it is a 4-count size, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $26. Now let's just go ahead and open them up. And they're still in plastic. So, well, how about that? Okay. I don't believe I own a pair of orange. I don't think I own a full set of orange brushes. I know there is a set that I have that came with one orange brush in it. Now, it does not tell you. Let's see. Okay. It does not say on here what each brush is used for, but nowadays you can pick and choose how you want to use them, okay? So how about that? Now, let's see. I have no Beauty Boost item in here. Why do I not have a Beauty Boost item? I'm not sure what's going on. Let me just check again. You've got to be kidding me. All right, how about this? So the Beauty Boost item that they sent to me was this as well. But you already know what it is since we've already talked about it. But nonetheless, I don't think I'm okay with that because I know that that cannot possibly be correct. Why would they send me a product and the Boost product the exact same thing? Okay, that's not making sense to me. But nonetheless, so this month's box, I have one makeup item, I have one set of tools, and the rest is skincare. How do we feel about that? In all actuality, it's okay for now. Y'all know I have another box that's strictly makeup. However, I do have a challenge with the fact that my Beauty Boost product is the exact same. Okay, and I am going to try to find out why, but I know that cannot be the norm. It just can't be. So, but nonetheless, let's just see what happens. Okay, so I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbox our October BOXYCHARM by IPSY. These are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was included. Okay, tell me, did you get the same thing as me? If you did, I hope you did not get two of the same items, that your Beauty Boost item was not the same as something that you already had. Okay, now don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And for those of you who have friends or loved ones who do not know about BOXYCHARM, go ahead and share it so that they can see as well. Okay, so remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.